Hi friends, today I'm here to share a really yummy plum cake recipe with you. This is called upside down plum cake. This I am making with homegrown organic plums. I'm using blood plums for this recipe, but you can use any sort of plums. So let's see how this is made. To start with, I've taken my plums, washed them thoroughly, and I'm going to take the seeds off and halve them and keep them aside. I'm also going to keep my baking tray ready by greasing it using about 50 grams of butter. So this is melted butter I am putting on the base of the tray and nicely greasing it. Now I'm going to add brown sugar into this. So this is about 1/3 cup of brown sugar, which I am generously sprinkling all over the base of the tray to cover it. Once it is completely covered, I'm going to neatly arrange the plums on the base of the tray as a lining. So I've taken all the seeds off and halved them. So now I'm going to place them skin side down and cover the base completely. Now the base of the tray is completely covered with our plums, and now the tray is ready. We can set this aside and keep working on the cake batter. To make the cake batter, I've taken 125 grams of butter, which is in room temperature, and I'm adding 1 cup of powdered sugar into this. I've taken raw sugar and made that into a fine powder. You can use caster sugar instead if you would like to do so. Now give it a nice mix. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence into this. Now you can use a whisk or an electric mixture to combine it very well and make it pale and creamy. Scrape down the sides and make sure everything is combined very well. Now I'm going to add 3 eggs into this, 1 egg at a time. After adding each egg, mix it very well. So here goes in the second egg. I'm going to combine it again very well before adding the third one. Now goes in the third one. Now give it a nice mix. Scrape down the sides if you need to do so. Now we can add our flour. I'm using self-rising flour here. You can use wholemeal flour along with some baking soda or baking powder instead. Once the flour has been added, I'm not going to mix it with the mixture. I'm going to use a spatula to fold in everything gently. I'm adding flour batch by batch. Now I'm going to add half cup of almond flour and I'm going to gently fold in that as well. And I'm also adding the remaining flour. Now everything is combined very well and folded in nicely. I'm going to transfer this into the baking tray, which is lined with plums. Now scrape off all the batter and level the top with spatula and make it nice and neat. Now it is ready to go into the oven, which is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. Now I'm going to bake it for about 40 to 50 minutes. Now it's almost time and it looks like our cake is ready. I'm going to keep it aside for 10 minutes for it to cool down a bit. I'm going to also release the sides using a sharp knife. Now it's almost time to check out our cake. I'm going to take it off the pan and flip it upside down. It looks like perfectly baked cake. I'm going to cut a piece and check. Oh, it is really soft and moist. Look at that. It's really nice. I'm serving this cake with homemade plum jam and some ice cream. If you like this recipe, please try it and let me know your feedback. Also, if you like my videos, please do not forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon with another video. Bye.